these brown banks of clay, but in a group there's always a lookout and a chance of avoiding birds of prey. The Amazon River system spreads its tangle of tentacles across thousands of kilometers of jungle. Tributaries, both large and small, are home to the weird and the wonderful, and the extreme. The giant of otters lives and hunts in the quieter backwaters. At 2 meters in length, it is one of the river's biggest predators. Streamlined and strong, its body is built to catch some fast and hefty fish. With strong claws and powerful jaws, giant snakes and caiman are also on the menu. It uses eyes, ears and nose underwater to seek out its prey. Unlike the British otter, this giant version sticks together in big family groups, and in deeper waters they hunt in a pack. These predators will cooperatively drive their prey into a tight bunch and tire them out, making them an easier catch.